Greetings to all. As we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, we, the Kovai Public School, tribute our Father of Nation through this short video message. Let us imbibe and try to follow his pathways. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation who shook the British army by his non-violence and peace. Peace is more than the absence of overt war. Gandhiji serves as a valuable catalyst, allowing us to rethink our position on violence, non-violence, and peace education.
Gandhiji's key distinction between relative and absolute truth and how this shapes his approach to peace education. This inner peace of Gandhiji led him to analysis of self or self-rule. Gandhiji's approach to peace education faces many significant challenges and formidable difficulties. What did Mahatma Gandhi do to bring peace?
Gandhi organized Indian resistance, fought anti-Indian legislation in the courts, and protested against the colonial government. Along the way, he developed a public presence and philosophy of truth focused non-violence, non-cooperation, which he called Satyagraha.
Can we follow Gandhiji's thoughts in our life? Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. The future depends on what you do today. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi everyone, I am Samvedya of grade 11. We are here to celebrate the birthday of our father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. This is Gandhiji's 151st birth anniversary. Every year we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2 to pay a tribute to him who has devoted his life for our India's independence. So I wish all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Thank you, Samvidya. Happiness is when what you say, what you think, and what you do are in harmony. Peace, happiness, and harmony are the three very light sounding words, but that are now turning into ironies dramatically in the country of the man of Satyagraha. The hero of Dandi March is celebrating his birthday today, but sadly he is no more with us to see us singing his fame. One of the greatest men ever to walk on this earth has lived his whole life as a message for the people of his nation. His cremation place is decorated with garlands and flowers on this special day. People from all over the world pay respect and homage to this dynamic man, but as the residents of his birth country, it is our duty to celebrate this man each and every day. His assassination has just killed his body, but his ideas and thoughts had lived, are living, and will live forever in our hearts. Once again, happy birthday to indeed the greatest man, and a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Harish Aditya of grade 12. I'm here to deliver you a speech about our nation's father, Mahatma Gandhi, on his birthday. Mahatma Gandhi has been given the title Father of India as he took up the path of non-violence to fulfill his goals. Gandhiji's life has been an inspiration to many because of the life he led. He took birth in the state of Gujarat in the town named Bobandar. The legacy which Gandhiji has left behind still impacts the people living in modern times. His relentless and hard work to achieve Swaraj was truly incredible. Not only that, but Gandhiji also worked to get rid of other social evils to make India an inclusive country. He worked tirelessly to remove the system of untouchability which was very prevalent back then. Moreover, he also empowered women and worked to enhance the economic condition of Indian farmers in addition to much more. He is one of the most important figures to help India get freedom from British rule. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence remains sage advice in a world where differences are more easily amplified and people take offense more readily. During India's struggle for freedom, he showed the world the freedom can be achieved peacefully through the path of non-violence. Gandhi firmly believed that people could never win their rights through violence. I will conclude my speech by saying one of the quotes of Mahatma Gandhi. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Thank you.
வெள்ளை பூக்கள் உலகம் எங்கும் மலரவே விடியும் பூமி அமைதிக்காக விழிகவே மண்மேல் மஞ்சள் வெளிச்சம் விழுகவே மலரே சோம்பல் முறித்து இழுகவே குழந்தை விழி கட்டுமே தாயின் கதகதப்பில் உலகம் விடியட்டுமே பிள்ளையின் சிறு முதல் சிரிப்பில் வெள்ளை பூக்கள் உலகம் எங்கும் மலரவே மலரவே விடியும் பூமி அமைதிக்காக விடியவே மண்ணில் மஞ்சள் வெளிச்சம் விழுகவே மலரே சோம்பல் முறித்து எழுகவே குழந்தை விழிக்கட்டுமே தாயின் கதகதப்பில் உலகம் விடியட்டுமே பிள்ளையின் சிறு முதல் சிறு வெள்ளை பூக்கள் உலகம்.
Dear people, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. The future depends on what we do in the present. Have faith in truth, humanity, and non-violence. God is not in heaven or temples, but in everyone's heart. Be humble to your fellow beings and protect nature. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Follow non-violence and truth. Be true to yourself and society and whole world. Satyameh Jayate. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Father name is Karamchand Gandhi and mother name is Putlibai. I am a politician, lawyer and a freedom fighter. I fought for freedom of our country. I am involved in struggles like the Salt Satyagraha, Not Cooperation movement also. I aimed at non-violence and truth. I took forward the freedom struggle and so the people call me Father of Nation. together for unity and peace. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Jai Hind.
Hello everybody, I am Mahatma Gandhi. In 1869, on this day, I born at Porbandar, Gujarat. My full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am known as father of our nation, India. My father is Karamchand Gandhi and my mother is Putlibai. I am a great freedom fighter. I started Satyagraha movement against the British rule. I like to live simple living and high thinking. I wanted to be very truthful and honest. Non-violence is my principle. I request you all, you follow the same. Jai Hind. Namaste everyone, I am Gandhi. I am here to tell you something important. When every hope is gone, when helpers fail, when comforts flee, I always find that help arrives somehow from I know not where. Supplication, worship, prayer are no superstition. Their acts more real than eating, drinking, sitting or walking. Jai Hind. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Patita Bhavana Sita Ram. Good afternoon, I am Pragalya. I am going to talk about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is a national festival. It was celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He fought for our freedom and for our nation. Truth and non-violence were his tool to fight against the British. His way of fighting was Satyagraha. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Thank you.
I am Kirtik. I am going to talk about the great leader Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is one of the greatest political and social leader. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. So on this day, October 2, I wish all my friends, teachers and principal a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
राजा
known as Gandhiji. I am a writer, politician, lawyer. I am popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation. I declared non-violence, non-corporate movement. In 1942, I declared Quit India movement to ask Indians to die for the freedom of our country. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. I give the message about non-violence and truth. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Jai Hind! Thank you.
People call me a Mahatma Gandhi Ji. I was born on October 2. So, tomorrow is my birthday. My father's name is Karamchand Gandhi Ji. My mother's name is Putli Boy. My wife's name is Kasturi Boy. I hate meats and violence. I was a lawyer and freedom fighter. I started Satyagraha movement. Jai Hind. Everyone, my name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. October 2nd, 1869. Mahatma Gandhi. Jai Hind.
Namaste. Do you know me? Yes, I am Mahatma Gandhi. I born in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. My life is my message. The main purpose of our life is to live rightly, to think rightly, to act rightly. Always say truth. Do you know I have given you 3 golden monkeys? Do you remember? I will show. Don't hear wrong. Don't see wrong. Don't tell wrong. If you follow those monkeys, you can live rightly. The happiness is when what you think, what you speak, what you do in your harmony. Don't beat anybody. Thank you.
Good evening to all. Now I am going to say a speech on Mahatma Gandhi. Today is October 2, which is celebrated as Gandhiji's birthday. Gandhi came forward with a highly successful non-violent resistance against British rule. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is an Indian lawyer, politician. To give up Khadi would be to sell the masses, the soul of India. Mahatma Gandhi was a leader who guided the India towards the independence. India was under the British rule for over 250 years. Gandhi returned from India from South Africa in 1915. Gandhi's contribution at the Indian freedom movement cannot be said in words. His policies and agendas were the inspiration for millions. After independence, Gandhi tried to stop Hindu and Muslim conflict in Bengal, a policy which led 1948. 78 years old, Gandhi was shot and killed by the Nathuran Godse. Thank you.
வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ஹர்ஷிதா ஸ்ரீ. நமது தேசத்தந்தை மகாத்மா காந்தி அவர்களது பிறந்த நாளை நாம் திருவிழாவாக கொண்டாடுவது பற்றிய சிறு உரையை உங்கள் முன் வழங்குவதில் பெருமை அடைகிறேன். ஒரு வக்கீலாக தனது வாழ்க்கை பயணத்தை ஆரம்பித்த நம் தேசத்தந்தை லண்டன் நீதிமன்றத்தில் ஒரு உரையை நிகழ்த்த மிகவும் பாடுபட்டார். அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒருவர் இந்திய நாட்டின் சுதந்திர போராட்டத்தையே வழிநடத்தினார் என்பது நம்ப முடியாத விஷயமாகும். நம் நாட்டு விடுதலைக்காக அல்லும் பகலும் பாடுபட்டு 1947 ஆண்டு ஆங்கிலேயர்களிடமிருந்து இந்தியாவை மீட்டு தந்தார். மக்களின் முழு ஆதரவை பெற்ற அவர் இந்து முஸ்லிம் ஒற்றுமைக்காகவும் தாழ்த்தப்பட்டோர் முன்னேற்றத்திற்காகவும் தீண்டாமையை ஒழிக்கவும் அரும்பாடுபட்டார். உடனே உண்மையே கடவுள் என்று உறுதிப்பாடு கொண்ட காந்தியடிகள் பகைவருக்கும் அன்பு காட்டும் பண்பு கொண்டவர். தன் குற்றம் குறைகளை வெளிப்படையாக ஒப்புக்கொள்ளும் பெருந்தன்மை கொண்டவர். தனக்கென வாழாமல் பிறக்கென வாழ்ந்து எளிய வாழ்வை மேற்கொண்டவர். ஒத்துழையாமை இயக்கம், தண்டி யாத்திரை, வெள்ளையனே வெளியேறு இயக்கம் என பல போராட்டங்களை அகிம்சை வழியில் வழிநடத்தியவர். அகிம்சை பாதையின் மூலம் சுதந்திரத்தையே அமைதியான வழியில் அடைய முடியும் என்பதை உலகிற்கு உணர்த்தியவர் நம் காந்தியடிகள். இந்திய மக்களை சுதந்திரம் உள்ள மக்களாக, உரிமை பெற்ற மக்களாக ஆக்கி தந்த பெருமை காந்தியடிகளையே சாரும். அவர் மறைந்தாலும் அவர் புகழ் என்றும் மறையாது. அவர் வழி நின்று இந்தியாவை மேலும் உயர்த்த நிலைக்கு கொண்டு செல்வதே நாம் அவருக்கு செய்யும் நன்றி கடனாகும். ஜெய்ஹிந்த்.
Good morning everyone. I am Muhil Karthik, grade 4. Gandhi Jayanti speech. On 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. Gandhi Jayanti is known as International Day for Non-Violence and Peace across the nation. We celebrate this day as the national celebration in India. Gandhi Jayanti was a faithful supporter of non-violence, truth and peace. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. Raghupati Rajav Rajaram, which is the favorite bhajan of Gandhi, makes us feel his divine power. Thank you. Good morning to all. I'm Nitika. Now I'm going to say a few points about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi is the person who stopped violence. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi born on October 2nd in Porbandar. Porbandar is located in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi studied law in Madras. He always says a slogan, do or die. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Pesulan. I'm going to speak about Dandi March and also known as Salt March. British government in India imposed the tax on salt. To protest this, Gandhi organized a march from Gandhi Ashram to Dandi along with 78 people. It took three weeks for them to reach Dandi. All over from India, thousands of people joined with them. But British government arrested them and put in jail. Later, British government invited Gandhi to London to speak about this. Finally, we are enjoying a tax-free salt. Jai Hind! Today I am going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He is the father of our nation. His birthday is celebrated as national festivals all over the country. He helped free the Indian people from British rule through non-violent resistance. Non-violence was his only tool in this fight against British. His fighting was Satyagraha. He spent his entire life bringing freedom to the country. He is a great freedom fighter.
సంస్కృతి నేర్పిన భారత భూమికి జోహార్ పంచశీల సిద్ధాంతాన్నిచ్చిన పుణ్య భూమికి జోహార్ ప్రపంచానికే సంస్కృతి నేర్పిన భారత భూమికి జోహార్ పంచశీల సిద్ధాంతాన్నిచ్చిన పుణ్య భూమికి జోహార్ హద్దులు లేవు ఎల్లలు లేవు భారత పుత్రులకు దేశమేదైన భాష ఏదైన మనదే ముందడుగు
हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर हाँ उसी का नूर रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे जरूर रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे जरूर
रोशनी